Let's make Afghani Pulao with lamb shanks, a delicious and simple dinner. Let's begin by adding 1 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of ghee to the cooking pot. Ghee enhances the flavours remarkably. Next, add 3 sliced white onions and fry them for about 5 minutes on medium heat. I'll be using 3 lamb shanks for this dish, but you can use any meat, preferably with some extra fat. Let's add them in. This should be about 3 kilograms. Now let's incorporate 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of cumin powder. Fry the meat with the spices until you achieve a nice sear and start smelling the aroma, which should take roughly 10 minutes. This recipe calls for a minimal amount of spices. Let's add the dry aromatics. 1 tablespoon whole cumin, 1 teaspoon green cardamom, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, and 2 black cardamom pods. Combine and fry all these spices together for an additional 2 minutes. Then pour in 7 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Skim off any excess fat from the top. Cover with a lid and let it cook on medium heat for 2 hours. Moving on to frying the carrots and raisins. Heat half a cup of ghee in a pan. Add 500 grams of carrots. Fry them for 5 minutes. Now let's include the 250 grams of fiery raisins. Fry for an additional 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Reduce the heat, cover with a lid, and let it cook slowly for 20 minutes. Let's check on our meat. It's fully cooked. Now it's time to add the rice. Add 3 cups of thoroughly washed and soaked rice to the pot. Turn the heat up and allow the rice to surface. Give it a gentle stir to evenly distribute the rice. This is how the rice should look. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of cumin powder over the rice. Add the fried carrots and raisins. I prefer cutting the carrots into large batons for a better texture. Cover with foil and a lid, then cook on low heat for 30 minutes. Let's quickly make a raita. Blend 1 bowl of yogurt, half a cucumber, 1 chopped red onion, 1 chopped carrot, 1 spring onion, a bunch of coriander, chilies, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a food processor. We want a slightly coarse mixture, not entirely smooth. It's ready. The aroma is absolutely divine. The rice has cooked perfectly, and each grain remains distinct. Time to plate up. This dish will serve a family of 6. Look at how tender the meat is. It completely falls off the bone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy preparing this recipe. Please let me know how it turns out.